Good morning, all of you. So today, what we will see, we'll see the installation of MongoDB database on Windows 10. Earlier, we have seen uh, installation of MySQL. We have also performed various programs or say assignments on MySQL database. So before starting the performing of assignments on MongoDB database, we'll learn how to install MongoDB on Windows 10. Okay, so let me show you MongoDB's database, how it looks and how it works. So for installation, very first step, we'll go, let me share new. Okay, so here you can see when you search on Google about MongoDB, you'll get the link about mongodb.com. So you have to go for this site. Here you can see description about the project. Okay, so now latest they have launched this Atlas project. It is a MongoDB cloud. Okay, so as we have started learning, and this is the new thing to all of us, we'll just see the installation steps. Okay, so for that we need to go for community server, as this is open source database, so it is freely available. Okay, so here you can see the download version, available download version. It is now currently it is 4.4.2, and as we are using Windows platform, so we can have MSI packages. You can choose Debian package also for Ubuntu. Okay, some of you might have Apples, so you can choose Mac OS. Okay, so here we'll just click on the download link, then it is downloaded. Here you can see it is of 217 MB file. Okay, let it download. Okay, after download you can check download folder. Here you can see the download package. As I have already downloaded, that's why it comes with the first uh, rename. Okay, now as it is a Windows operating system, so you just need to double click on the file. Okay, then it will start, uh, it will give you the pop-up on your screen, and it will ask you to do necessary or required things. Okay, so after double clicking, it will give you pop-up. Windows installer is preparing to install. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to install. So be patient. Okay, so this pop-up comes. It is about SSL. Then you have to accept the terms and condition, as it is open source software. So you have to agree all the license agreement. Okay, so we'll just accept. Then next, what you have to install, we want to install the complete packages of MongoDB, but you can also customize. Here you can see the different customized options, but we'll just select the regular process. So we'll go by complete packages. Okay, so here you can also see where the exact MongoDB is going to install. Here C colon program files MongoDB server 4.4, this is the version. So here your database is going to save on your hard disk. So we'll go for complete package. Okay, so run server. Here you can change names as per your requirement. If you want to set password like MySQL, here also you can set the password, but we'll not set here password. Okay, so we'll go as default settings, but here options are provided. Okay, next, next, and install. Okay, so this will take 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see the progress. Okay, as you can see, there is a new more product is added with MongoDB, that is MongoDB Compass. As you know that while installing MySQL, there is a MySQL workbench also. So like this, MongoDB also introduced this MongoDB Compass. Okay, so it is also being installed with this package. After installing, by default, the My MongoDB Compass is being launched. It will take some time to load. You can also see the progress. You have to accept some privacy settings, and then you can click on start using MongoDB Compass. Okay, so we will explore this UI based MongoDB later, this Compass product later, as our installation is up to finish. So let's check the installation status. Yes, it is finished. So just click on finish button. Then what you have to do, you have to go to the path where it is being installed. So as you know, it is been installed on C drive, program files. Here you can see MongoDB. Yes, it is server is being installed. Here you can see 4.4 version. Now what happens? This MongoDB structure is a client server based structure. So and all the communications in the database is being communicated through port. Yes. So as you know, the MySQL port connections, how that does and how they work, these things you already know. Uh, so likewise, MongoDB also have the port number. It is 27017. So first we need to open that port. Okay. So here you can see different executive files. Okay. So first this Mongodb process, this is the daemon process and it works as a server. So firstly you have to run this process. So what happens once you execute this process, the port number 27017 is being opened, and then the client side service, that is uh, Mongo D service is the server service, that is daemon process. Okay, and Mongo is the client side service. So we all are using Mongo services, but before using start using this service, we need to open this service. Okay, so just double click on it. So while double clicking it, it will load some process and the pop-up goes. Then now click on the Mongo exe service. Okay, here you can see the shell. Here you can see check. This is the local host and the port number 27017 is being opened because of this process, D process, Mongo process. You will get connected to the database. Now the shell prompt is coming. You can check your databases, show DBs. It will show you the available databases. You can use these databases like MySQL. That crude operations of MongoDB we will see later. So here our installation of MongoDB on Windows 10 is successful. So thank you.